Hello, my name is Jeff, and welcome to Select Motors Ltd. Visit our website to view our current inventory. That is at selectmotors.com. This is a 2011 Range Rover HSE Luxury. Color is gray metallic with black interior. Body's in beautiful condition. Has the factory running boards. Has recently new brakes, front and rear, that's pads and rotors. And recently new front air struts. The side mirrors are power, they fold in automatically. Xenon headlights with high pressure washers. Here's a look at the rear end. Has a backup camera and parking sensors. Split tailgate. Easy loading. You can actually lower the vehicle by pressing a button for when you're getting in or out, or for easy loading. Has a full-size matching wheel. Has built-in screens and headrests. Switch on the door to recline the rear seat. Both sides have that. It's a rear climate control. This has the black headliner. Looks real sharp. Heated and cooled seats. 3-position memory. This has a premium sound system, Harman Kardon. Heated steering wheel and with the wood grain. Power moonroof. There's a look at the dashboard before you turn it on. Very soothing. Then it'll light up. All the gauges appear. Factory navigation, satellite radio, as I mentioned, backup camera. Here are the controls for the suspension and the different road conditions you can set the vehicle to for optimal traction and ride. Fully automatic climate control, rain sensing wipers. Here's a look at the passenger side. This is a luxury edition, so it's got deluxe everything in it. And has WeatherTech molded mats. Passenger side also has a 3-position memory. Beautiful Range Rover, drives excellent. Very well maintained, fully detailed. Thank you for looking in. Give us a call, and we'd love to tell you more about this vehicle.